Okay, so I'm going to show you a security feature on Windows that's not enabled by default. All the other security features is enabled except this one. So if you go to your search bar here and type in core isolation, how do I spell it wrong? Isolation, there it is. Just click on it. You see that it's not enabled. So it's a good thing to enable it. It prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. Same with Gemini. Memory integrity is a component of core isolation that prevents malicious code from accessing and tampering with critical system processes. So it's a good thing to enable it. Might as well. You don't want these guys with hats getting into your system. Yeah, just enable that. And then you can say yes, and you have to restart your computer. Then there's a bonus feature I'm going to show you. It's called Windows Sandbox. It's basically a virtual environment that you can use inside your system. Say you want to install a program that you don't really trust, you're not sure about. You can install it in that environment, check it out, see that nothing funny happens, and then yeah, you can either install it. If it's fine, you can install it on your main system, or if it crashes that sandbox area, you know not to install it. So go to search again and then type in Windows features, turn on Windows features on or off, turn Windows features on and off, take that, come to the bottom, and as you can see, here it is, Windows Sandbox. Now this is in Windows Pro and up. It might be in Windows Windows Home. Is it called Windows Home anymore? I don't know. So just check that. So check that, and I just check Windows hypervisor platform as well, just to make sure it will work. You say okay, it will install it. And then if you want to run it, I actually searched for it here. Windows Sandbox, but it can't find it here. I don't know why. Just click on your start menu and then scroll to the bottom and you will see it there, Windows Sandbox. You can just click on it and this will actually start up the virtual Windows environment. So I just created a shortcut here on my start menu if I'm going to use it a lot, or you can just let's say we can just right click on it, say pin to taskbar. But if you want it in your start menu or your desktop, just go to open file location. This is where the actual program is. Right click on it, and then say pin to start or send to desktop. Right, and then if you run it in a sandbox, it will actually start that machine up. Let's see, yeah, actually quite quick. So as you can see, it's very limited, so it doesn't have a lot of features or programs or anything installed. This is just for testing something out in this environment. It can't escape. It's a malicious program and it can't escape this this sandbox area. So yeah, it just works normal like a virtual Windows, and you can install stuff here. And if you close it out, it will delete everything, so it doesn't save anything permanently. Yeah, and that's it.